put the new 4Gs on the G. I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty.
Alright guys, hope you're all doing well. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm obviously last video I made I was talking about me setting up my business, everything else, window cleaning, and obviously in the last video I was using all the traditional tools. So I was using, you know, like a mop, squeegee, I was on the ladders, things like that. So I've recently upgraded to the Waterfed Pole system. It's a very basic system. I got this set up for, if you exclude the cost of the van, I think I paid all in all about £600–700 for it. So I'm going to head up to my grandparents' house now, because that's where obviously I keep all my work stuff, and I'll show you around. So all in all, I've got this is basically all one unit. So you've got the brush, which is the Gardner SLX 22 foot. So this goes up 22 feet. And obviously you've got the hose that comes out here. And that basically connects into my hose reel. So I paid £300 for this pole. Brush head not included. I bought a brush head separately, but you can get them as part of the package. I opted for a sill brush, which I ultimately had to change because it wasn't very good for window cleaning. You've got the hose reel here. I paid, I think it was £40 for this second hand. This is about 60–70 meters, something like that, so it gets me to see through, it sees me through most jobs, sorry. And basically the way this works is this connects down here into this. Then obviously from there, this will connect via this onto my tank, which is a 500 litre tank, I believe. Also bought second hand, £40. And then obviously that just connects to a leisure battery, which is powered, or should I say, the pump connects all of this together. So the pump is what pulls the water from the tank through the reel and into the brush, which is up there, and it's all powered by a leisure battery. So this basically goes on the positive and this goes on the negative terminals. Now I do have the water purification system at home. I keep that in my back garden. That's basically two DI vessels, because in Wales we've got quite soft water. In England, places like that, you're going to need a reverse osmosis system. Can't really advise on those because I've never had to use them. I don't intend to use them because obviously in Wales I don't need one. But just to show you how simple it is really to get this set up. Like I'm not exactly one of those guys that's all clued up on putting systems together, things like that, and it was pretty easy. The most complicated part I think was getting all the fittings to match up, because obviously they've all got to connect to one another, and you've got to get the right fittings and the right hoses and things to do that. But if anyone needs any help, or anyone, you know, is thinking of doing this themselves, just let me know. I'm making about 200 quid a day running this system, and I only go out for about 4 or 5 hours a day. So I'm doing like 15-hour work weeks maximum and taking home £600 a week doing 3 days. Once I get 5 days, obviously we're going to be looking at £1,000 a week, which is fucking good money, you know, for 5-hour days. It's one of those businesses with the lowest barriers to entry. That's probably the best way to put it. You know, as long as you've got the determination up there and you want it bad enough, it's simply a matter of getting your customers, going out and doing the work and growing and expanding. It's cheap enough. You can start with a squeegee and a mop like I did. You're looking less than 100 quid to get started. Ladder rack, chuck your ladders on. I got my ladders second hand as well. I've still got them up the house now. I don't even use them anymore, but I keep them as a just in case this ever breaks down on me, you know. But yeah, that's how I'm running at the moment. It's pretty nifty, to be honest with you. I'm a lot happier than I used to be in terms of my work life, my work balance, everything else. And yeah, I'd highly recommend trying this line of work if you are thinking of getting out of the office, getting out of the 9-to-5 job, you know. But that's it for now. I'm going to go to work, and I'm going to be putting some more fitness related content on the channel now. I've got my camera. I I bought a G7X, same camera I used to use for my videos, slightly newer model, so the quality is slightly improved, not drastically, but you know, it's better than working off a mobile phone. And I'll leave a link to that down in the description as well. But yeah, look out for more work related stuff, more window cleaning, more fitness, product reviews, more training advice, all that stuff. It's all coming back. I've got my computer now, I've got my camera now, there's no excuses, so it's just a matter of me getting back into the swing of it now. So that's it, I'll see you in the next one, guys.
I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now I entertain us a call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning.